Hi children, today again we are discussing about the writing numerals. Before session already I told about the place values in Indian system. Now writing numerals meaning what? Whatever is giving the numbers we will keep commas according to the periods. Okay, now see writing numerals. Write a numerals. Okay, now example, if you give the number, how to write, again how to read the numbers. Examples I am writing. First example, second example, 476925. Third example, 983465. Okay, next fourth example, 7536346542. Okay, next fifth example, 574306921. First question 37892 he gave. Second one 476925 he gave. Next question 983465 he gave. Next one 75346542 he gave. Next one 574306921 he gave. Okay, now we have to give the numerals meaning what? Keeping commas according to the period. Now these numbers we will arrange in period systems. See, yesterday first place values we have. Whenever we are giving the numbers we are arranging means we have to give the place values. First place values, which one is there? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs and crores, 10 crores. Okay, these two are crores period. These two are crores period. These are lakhs period. These two are lakhs period. These are thousands period. These are ones period. Okay, now see crores period I am writing. Draw the lines, period wise I am drawing, then again we have to inside I am drawing lines. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 answers. 5 questions are there, 5 are there, that's why I am writing the 5 boxes. Okay, now see first question what he gave, 37892. 37892, don't start here, don't start here. From the ones place handwards we have to write, always we have to write from the right handed to left hand side. Don't write here because of only 5 digits are there. If you are writing it will be these numbers, two numbers, it will be become a crores period. Not in the crores period, only 5 digits are there. Whenever we are writing crores periods, if the numbers is having 9 digits, that time it will be become a crores period. Now it will be only 5 digits are there. 5 digits won't come in the crores period. Now again we have to write. Now it will be right in ones place another places. Right to right hand what's to left. Ones, 9, 8, 3, 7. Sorry, 7 and 3. Okay, next one I am writing again 6 digits are there, count it. 5, 2, 9, 6, 7, 4. Next one 5, 7, 6, 4, 3, 8, 9. Next one 2, 4, 5, 6, 4, 3, 5, 7. Okay, next one 1, 2, next number 9, 6, 0, 3, 4, 7, 5. What he gave numbers according to the period we arrange. Now how to read the numbers? See, this side we will write numerals handwriting. See, direct number, this number is having no value. Whenever we are giving the numerals, whenever you are keeping the commas, that time only these numbers is having values. Now how to read? We don't know. This reading also we don't know. Then ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, 37,892. Actually, for seeing this we can't read directly. That's why we have to keep commas according to the period. Now numerals I am writing. See here, whatever it will be. Whenever we are writing the numerals, see, end of the periods we have to keeping commas. End of the period we have to put commas or leave gap or leaving gap. See, till here ones place. How many are there? 1, 2, 3 digits are in ones place. Count it from the right to left. 1, 2, 3 digits are there. Before number is there? No, nothing it will be. That's why leave it. How much should be now? 3, 7, 37. Thousands period is which one is there? 3, 7, 37. 37,892. Now it will be becoming here comma. Comma means we will divide it into the according to the period. Then next one. See which one is there? The 7, 6, 76 are periods. Then 4. Only 4 is there lakhs period. Lakhs period is 2 number digits are not there. Only 4 is there. 4 is in which place? In period lakhs period. Which place is there? First period. This first place. This it will be 4. 4 lakhs 76,982. See first 3 digits. This is the ones place. 1, 2, 3 digits are there. Ones place. Again thousands period. How many digits are there? 2 digits are there in the thousands place. Keep it in 2 periods. Then lakhs period only 1 digit is there. Leave it. The next one. Next question. Lakhs period, thousands period. Lakhs period, thousands period, and ones period. How much it will be? 98, 34, 675. See, count it. See, lakhs period, which one is there? 98 lakhs, 34,675. Then first 3 digits one spread keep commas. Next it will be thousands. How many are there? 2 digits are there. Next after it will be become that is a lakhs period. Okay. Next one. Next, this is the crore spread. See, 7 is in which place? Crores place. 7 is in which place? Crores place. How many crores are there? 7 crores. Lakhs spread, how much it will be? 5353. 7 crores, 53 lakhs. Thousands place, which one is there? 4646. 4646. 46 thousands and 542. Again, I am reading. See, 7 crores, 53 lakhs, 46,542. This is the one more. Next one. Keeping commas, how many first 3 digits? Next it will be thousands spread. How much is there? 4 6. 4 6. Then again 5 3. Then 7. 7 crores 53 lakhs 46,540. Next one. See, crores spread, how much it will be? 2 crores places only. Then 5 7 57. 57 crores 43 lakhs 6,000 only. In the first period is 0. That's why it will be become 6. 0 6 6 only we will read. 0 6,000 don't read. Only 6,921. Ones period, thousands period. Okay. Simply I am saying always we won't draw this tabular form. Then simple thing in the Indian system, whenever we are keeping the numerals, directly you can count it. First, from right to left, you can leave the 3 digits. Any number in Indian system, first leave the 3 digits from the right to left. First 3 digits leave it. And always you can leave the two digits, every two digits you can keep comma. Okay, first how many? First 3 digits. Next after 2, every two digits we will keep commas. Again I am saying, see, first 3 digits from the right to left, first 3 digits, after 2, again after 2, every 2 digits we will keep first 3, next after every 2 digits we will keep commas. Okay, isn't it? Next how to write the inverse, how to write I am saying next session. Okay, thank you children.